Think you need hours in the gym to get a ripped core? Think again. Just 10 minutes a day, yes, only 10, is all it takes to start sculpting those abs. Life's busy, vacations, work, family. There's barely time to breathe, let alone hit the gym. But here's the truth. You don't need fancy equipment or endless crunches. What you need is this 10-minute blueprint. Commit to these 10 minutes daily, and you'll start seeing results in just a few weeks. Ready? Grab a mat, some water, and let's begin. Start in a high plank. Now, alternate tapping your knees to the floor. Keep your core tight, back flat. This wakes up the entire core. Lie on your back, knees bent. Use your lower abs to lift your hips off the ground. Control every rep. Don't swing. Bring elbow to opposite knee, slow and controlled. Focus on that twist. This sculpts your obliques. Ing. Hands under your hips. Raise your legs up, then lower slowly. Don't let them touch the ground. Fire up the lower abs. Now switch sides. Keep breathing. You've got this. Small, quick kicks. Keep your abs tight. Don't arch your back. Let's turn up the heat. Drive those knees forward. Stay in control, abs engaged. Reach for your toes. Exhale every time you crunch. Visualize your abs tightening. Finisher. Legs out, arms overhead, back flat. Hold steady. This builds deep core strength.